Abuja for GC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news Mkwa Aremeyaw Bramo. And it is a subscriber. Bomodia say we subscribe to channel. The obey say over click the subscribe button. Now we barely notification. We are new video be upload. When the first person wants a beka a video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now share my for so now when you be here now who and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memano. Afi yebura ye and someone abeto yepnoso. Yinti yes I report here about to yinti.
Kofi Boakye. A friend say former
Asante police commander.
Yes. Kofi. Okay, say. Dia Bawumia ni wuye. Na dia Bawumia so ton wi ani ade. By a source which they said now wo ana na mo me di wi kokoma no. Na yakubo ni tuo. E ma ni wuye. Mo fi budo wa hemfa. Kofi Boakye sabasa ye bia ba say ye yipa. We will hold you responsible. Ade ye dio. Na wo na wo so pe IGPO. Awo MPP abeso. Ene una otete NDC for say omfa basabasa mra ha say I'm going to deal with you. I'm going to deal with you. Me I will deal with you. Na mani abisin I will deal with you Kofi Boakye. I will deal with you. Na ba bia mo ba say Kofi Boakye ba ho abaye yi bia no. Don't say no I'm for citizen arrest. Na I will hand over to the police.
Wow, Bacheno.
But I'm telling you, it is our year. I just said, as I say, I know they buy a year. What I say, there were near my prayer, but yet, or Jack the toy back. I'm telling you, this is the strong warning. This is the strong warning. Now, I said, I need you. I'm my demonstration now.
Ato Zoom.
Kofi Boakye. A friend say former
Asante police commander.
Yes. Kofi. Okay, say. Dia Bawumia ni wuye. Na dia Bawumia so ton wi ani ade. By a source which they said now wo ana na mo me di wi kokoma no. Na yakubo ni tuo. E ma ni wuye. Mo fi budo wa hemfa. Kofi Boakye sabasa ye bia ba say ye yipa. We will hold you responsible. Ade ye dio. Na wo na wo so pe IGPO. Awo MPP abeso. Ene una otete NDC for say omfa basabasa mra ha say I'm going to deal with you. I'm going to deal with you. Me I will deal with you. Na mani abisin I will deal with you Kofi Boakye. I will deal with you. Na ba bia mo ba say Kofi Boakye ba ho abaye yi bia no. Don't say no I'm for citizen arrest. Na I will hand over to the police.
Wow, Bacheno.
But I'm telling you, it is our year. I just said, as I say, I know they buy a year. What I say, there were near my prayer, but yet, or Jack the toy back. I'm telling you, this is the strong warning. This is the strong warning. Now, I said, I need you. I'm my demonstration now.
Ato Zoom.
So woman normally a wrong move. They will regret their actions. Asante region,
are you recruiting people
in
Ashanti region?
To do what?
Through Kofi Boakye.
To do. Look, my main first step one I'm reaching.
Okay.
Ashanti region, how much buamu kwasia? Huh? They disrespected the people of Ashanti region. When they were drawing the Ajapadie book, did they remember that Ashantis were there? Yeni ya cultural Ajapadie document. And yet, I want no more say said the Niyama Kono, Asante Bekas Womujuan party. They should deny the people of Ashantis and give it to a convenient candidate, Bawumia. Document they now. Didn't they implement it? Is it the NDC that implemented it?
I don't know the document you are talking about.
Ashanti region. Look, as we the MPP will lose in Ashanti region. It doesn't matter how much money they share. They will lose. And I can tell you that they won't rig a single ballot paper in Ashanti region this year. They will not. Nana say Wontumi will bring the results. You better try to wait here. Wontumi will not move an inch. And if he's a man,
but that would be would be against his human rights.
If he's a man, let him make a wrong step. The soldiers they are standing there and doing, we don't care. We are going into an election. The NDC doesn't have a plan to rig. The NDC doesn't have a plan of violence. But we will return any gesture that is extended to us in full fold. Kofi Boakye, oya santini. Na Wontumi kura no papa is remuning. We ye dua. Wontumi is our brother. He's a northerner. Who kura wumfri Asante and ne wa go tena Asante for comes and dictating. It is not everybody who falls under Wontumi's kind of behavior. Now Kofi Boakye wa no ya Asante chocho mucho 100%. Wono o trateno. Kofi Boakye was the police commissioner. Adameboa.
He's now an NDC.
And or retire and also join NDC.
NDC.
One by to ufru the other day. A wise man will look for support. The most important focus of the legal director of the NDC was to ensure that that matter was dealt with, and it's been dealt with. Hey, so even if I think
would it affect anything there at Gyamfi Central?
Oh, and powder, and Uncle Fordy Bow. Kwaku didn't do well. Honorable Kwaku didn't do. He didn't treat himself fairly.
What has this case got to do with
MPP Yaba? Ufri MPP Nwaba.
And imagine.
And ye Jiwa
as a parliamentary candidate.
Yeah, no DC. Yeah, no DC. And I was some Amenfi and what would you too? In the Sama Wakonya. And I would two sitting MP. Would you be the 2 hours a day? You are holding the party to the ground. And I see a mob brasa. And I know actually no. Me would do matem.
Why did you want him?
Honorable Kwaku. Even in his situation, Miss Anso call, I'm in Visam Quay, I'm friends so MP.
Would you attempt so I know?
My bow constituency, you may Shiana, young Dinkitano, Dimatem. Nam see you, D National Chairman, DD General Secretary. Minaba. Party any idea anymore.
Yes, so much Joanna Jessica.
Why?
Minimum.
Until so obey a candidate. I don't know her. Ya ji obisi kan today. Ono obi anje ni sika ko be free MPP ababedi. And a wako election we lose. And a party no nullify sa election no. And your man wa konwa say san ko jira biem
95.1.
E bia na wako win it. Na nka asem ayi dey. E dey na asem ekọ. Okoya wako forgery signature. Instead of so they will form Beconia sign. No wako forgery branch executive signature. Ni achew. Now very you invite you also okay that is idea about to no be film. And our film and what the hobby.
And His Excellency the former President John Dramani Mahama went to Ashanti region. In fact, I heard an audio from a journalist and I was just say, fear. I don't even want to glorify it by even playing it.
O commander
a fear.
And
me person me vomiting.
Oh, okay. If he
time. Calling on security to be careful because the vice president is in Ashanti region campaigning. So therefore the former president cannot come there and meet the clergy. I'm like, oh, that's too strong.
Let me tell you.
That's too strong.
Let me tell you. Let me tell the
MP. That's too strong.
I retract. Let me tell you.
Let
me tell the MP.
95.1.
So woman no year wrong move, they will regret their actions. Ashanti region,
are you recruiting people in Ashanti region?
To do what?
Through Kofi Boakye.
To do look. My main first step one I'm ready.
Okay.
Ashanti region, they disrespected the people of Ashanti region. When they were drawing the Agyapong book, did they remember that Ashantis were there? Yeni ya kwatro Agyapong document. Enya ewo no mo ka say said the niyama kono Asante for no beka so omo party. They should deny the people of Ashantis and give it to a convenient candidate, Bawumia. Document they now. Didn't they implement it? Is it the NDC that implemented it?
I don't know the document you are talking about.
Ashanti region. Look, as we wait, the MPP will lose in Ashanti region. It doesn't matter how much money they share. They will lose. And I can tell you that they won't rig a single ballot paper in Ashanti region this year. They will not. Nanado say Wontumi will bring the results. You better try to wait here. Wontumi will not move an inch. And if he's a man,
but that would be would be against his human rights.
If he's a man, let him make a wrong step. The soldiers they are standing there and doing, we don't care. We are going into an election. The NDC doesn't have a plan to rig. The NDC doesn't have a plan of violence. But we will return any gesture that is extended to us in full fold. Kofi Boakye, why is Antony? Now to me, crowd, oh, papa is remuning. We are Adria. What to me is our brother. He's a nodner. Who cry womb free Asante and ne, what got Asante for comes and dictating. It is not everybody who falls under Wontumi's kind of behavior. Now, Kofi Boakye or no ya Asante chocho mucho 100%. Wono o trateno. Kofi Boakye was the police commissioner. Adameboa.
He's now an NDC.
And no retire, and also join NDC.
NDC.
Bonnie COP Alex Mensa. Near 1 year recording now, or record. When him on there, or my order bubu me fee. Do you know he's the one? On your board of Yoko's CIA. Yam Fananko Yoku, so board member. Even this delinquent is being made a board member of a reputable organization as Yoko. Obi ayachinwa or plot to coup.
Plotting what?
Plotting coup. If you are planning to use the police to determine the outcome of an election,
would have been in court.
It's a coup. MPP, when we come, we'll prosecute him.
Okay, 58.
No, not the end a service misconduct.
And a plus.
And only a service misconduct. Any police officer, any military officer who will misconduct yourself, you treat you like a politician. Yen yanum MPP for the yenimuamo. MPP for Nimi, Misumi Nimuamo. There's no way Justin Kodia or Nanabi can ask anybody to come and attack.
Or the Justin Kodia.
Justin Kodia. And to one police in here, yeah, you sue for the wrong reasons. Who will deal with you?
Did you use them?
Today.
Did you use them 2016?
Today, as I'm speaking to you, today. We are not doing any recruitment. Kofi Boakye is not doing any recruitment. But we are preparing ourselves. Said nobody will die in this election. The election will be very peaceful because MPP for offer to ya befabi, omofa akonya ya befabi. And to obi anim say ne yankwa ya krado no nam ho obi abekofie. That is why Wontumi is scared of Kofi Boakye. Also because I feel we are Asante region, they can't do what they will do. Fake ballot papers cannot work. But let me tell you, police commanders and security of this country and the destiny of this country in the next 1 month is in the hands of the IGP and the CDS of the Ghana Armed Forces. But you know our response to that. We don't have a police service without people who are politically attached anymore. Oko Ghana police service, and even police officers want to be pulling agents. We don't worry about what MPP is doing. But we certainly know that who could use police ni so one could di bonia ni yanku police ni will deal with him. That is where the thing will start. Oko Ghana Armed Forces soldier for them womunsu abusiafo a wobehu sa ban we anya de yiye. So when you ask the military to say the woman plan is ewutu constituency Afenyo Markins wo wom dia soldier for be wakoya to asem wo ho no ye twan wo mo ho soldier for a wom de be kole bi mu so be NDC for. Into Woody Bon Wayankofo will deal with you. When you do that, we will allow civilians to go through a very peaceful election. So nobody will misbehave in this country in this election. Not even the MPP. And what is happening in Ashanti region, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama can claim, say he has developed Ashanti region that their own Nana Akufo Addo. What does it? I didn't Nana don't call statue or Ashanti region.
Nana didn't do a statue in the West.
Maybe he did. He went.
He did not.
No. He did.
He did not.
They sponsored it.
The statue was not done by Nana.
They sponsored it. The regional minister have even deployed police there. Yes, Baby also a runabout, uncompleted runabout. Near the Nanado Yakosiho. What to be that? He should go and do that in Ashanti region where he got his vote from. Because he didn't develop the place, he cannot do it there. And I'm saying that he wants to be commissioning, he should be commissioning projects. 2016 by this time, campaign, we were going to lose. But His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was commissioning projects.
He will be commissioning flower pot on the 19th.
And then I use it. Ghana people know that project that started here. And
that's it. Towards your end.
Yes.
That NDC will win presidential and also win parliamentary.
Yes. Parliamentary MPP for Belusuno. It will be overwhelming than we lost in 2016. Look, it's a national consensus rejection.
You believe in that statistic?
They say even MPP for penny for no one co-opposition, one party. That's why I'm telling you that if there is an election, an opportunity today,
MPP penny for me.
But yeah, me say MPP penny for Kukudam want this party to go to opposition because what is happening to the MPP, that is not the MPP we know. MPP are one brand woman in the past. Say a school for and your friend was intellectuals. And him the four no. MPP for one doors room and the NDC yeah Baranda boys and girls and by heart zongo for and boy MPP dia chrono ne DHD and some phone ne DHD atrocities vandalism and a DHD MPP must rebrand themselves. And the answer for one more party, no fees one party, no, and some opposition, and I'm telling you that if there's an opportunity today, now MPP for primaries, and some go choose running meter, flag bearer, Bawumia will not be a choice.
You think if should in case Ghanaians don't vote for Bawumia, and they go for primaries, Bawumia will lose?
We need he will not. Bawumia's title will be former flag bearer of the MPP market. He would never be a president of Ghana. A young man who have led this level of intellectual dishonesty,
95.1
held lectures. You know you are lying and you continue to lie as a vice president.
Bawumia campaign
One campaign a chewuska. Campaign yes and a direction. What are you talking about? Who's a Ghana Forson? Can't you see? One by a year, some band or much Ghana for in the last 1 year when they got elected.
What is digitalizing the economy?
Look, I have spoken about digitalization before. Digitalization embodies every government. There's no government. President Kofi Boakye, there was digitalization. He did it. President Mills Baye OYB. President Mahama Baye or continue here. President Akufo Addo Baye OYB. Why should a vice president be taking credit for even things ministers have done? It's nonsense. When Bawumia is telling you that you better be see electric cars, na dum so ho. Nti anya electric cars eba. Na na ya ufie ya de yibe tare ho. Na adechi an wa charge o car beboa. Is the government planning the infrastructure of digitalization in that regard? They don't have it. We don't have it. So digitalization is a gradual process of industrial and economic revolution.
Mame found Memphis Central. Maybe my baby.
Yeah.
With the NRA clergy, our Mushia, former president of Ashanti region.
Yes.
What do you make of the judgment yesterday?
I have always known, sir, we'll come to that bridge. In as much as I don't trust the Chief Justice, in as much as there's a public perception that Ghana don't trust the judiciary, I think that there are some noble men within the judiciary.
I don't know, at one breath, Ato Forson winning a court in Semia. At another breath, you are accusing them.
No, Ato Forson.
You are excited what happened there.
Ato Forson, the end was an exposé. There was nothing you can do. It was an expose. Papa na nyahwe more than akusi court. And I Ghana for the MP. You don't have an option. But you see, there's no pointer. Me saying, Nana, I say, me fear na you demolish it. Yeah, the ex-party order and demolish me fear me. Me can't confirm the ex-party order, an order obtained from the court without my knowledge. I've not been sued. I've never been in court. I've never been summoned. The court didn't hear me. Say Ubia because we see as I say one die so. What's it down on assassin so? But I bet prove how you got the land, whether the land is yours or not, for the court to even listen to me, gave an order to demolish my houses. So first injustice. Number two, there's no way an interlocutory injunction that doesn't deal with the substance of the matter before it, to deny a political representation.
What substance?
Some
people within your party took a more parliamentary candidate.
That's right.
Now we want to Kofi Boakye him. We bet to be him. I was Jari and answer then Wontumi. Any wakaka ben some four wuti kumaso and woody. No one nipa me and control. Mo Krono amapo. You are afraid he said Bonene Krono amabo Ghana. All of it will be exposed, and many of you, I promise you, you go to jail. A lot of you, Mubeko jail. Take a listen to Wontumi talking rubbish. Listen.
I will hold you responsible for foolish person back up. Kofi Boakye, Chama Wontumi say, Kofi Boakye, let them pursue any flash and Kofi Boakye, I will hold you responsible for foolish person back up. Kofi Boakye, Chama Wontumi say, Kofi Boakye, let them pursue any flash and
This guy is a lunatic. God damn. This is a classic lunatic. Wontumi. We are sick. Now how dare you Wontumi? Now Wontumi to way. Yera Santehene Esama Oba Palace now who was so Kukobia Yadini Kwakoshebo. Look at this lunatic frenzy. You are giving a top police officer who has served this country's interests, including Asante region or Bodam Papawate, who phone Kwasiake Kabisa and Kwekumichi. How dare you? Wontumi where why? Wontumi where why? I'll bet more. These are the kind of people the US government is looking for them. And will write letter to the American government to mark such persons speaking rubbish and issuing threats to officers of the state. You are sick. You are suffering from schizophrenic and you need a psychiatric observation. For program Ghana belongs to all of us. So nobody in MPP, I repeat, Wontumi ma Ghanaian, Wontumi ma the army, and Ghana for and show. No, nobody tried. Makatramo may say any attempt, the 2024 election, let me say this, any attempt by the governing New Patriotic Party, say Mube seize power, I swear to God, will raise the flag down. This is about how many times I'm saying this. May say, we'll raise the flag down. Sure, this is about life. Election way, it's about our lives. We'll raise the flag down and we'll protect the territorial sovereignty of our waters. We'll protect the territorial sovereignty of our lands and we'll protect the territorial sovereignty of our airspace. Yeah, mamo kwaida.
Yo, Jivo, we ne reporter ababeto yepno so Mikao say wunya subscribe to channel ya bomodi say over subscribe we na fe or like video like the video na fe share ba ofofro so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memwa oso betimi a chere wadwen afa eye ensemo nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti minkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.